Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about a couple cool things. I want to talk to you guys about a little bit about the charts, go over those real quick just to see what we've been seeing for the last couple of days, because we've been looking at them on the weekly. And I want to talk to you guys about a couple projects that I think you should probably keep your eye on, especially with NFTs popping off and becoming so popular. And there's one coin that is on my low cap gem list that I haven't been able to get my hands on yet. So you might be able to get your hands on something that I think is a low cap gem before I can even get my hands on it. Also, just want to talk to you about another project that has a bunch of cool news in the news today. So let's get right into it. If you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and share the video. Let everybody know this is the chillest channel on YouTube and we get paid. This is not financial advice. This is strictly for you to do your research and learn how to get it too. Also, join the Telegram group. It's going to be open for a little bit longer. Going to have to close it up soon to make sure we keep the scams and the suckers to a low. So first things first, Bitcoin is trying to recover a little bit at 49, and right now that's pretty okay with me, because what I want to happen is just for us to range in between this range right here on the market cap of about $1 trillion and 750. Right now we're ranging in between 1 trillion and about 830, so that's cool. If the market cap of Bitcoin just ranges in between there, then the market cap of the altcoins should have a good time. And right here, this is the total to all of the altcoins without Bitcoin. And I was saying, look, I want this thing to cool down. This is on the weekly. So what's cool is it had this nice little bounce right here at the line that I had set up, and now it's starting to head its way back up. Going to the daily chart, we can see that this blue line has held some resistance for a while, back since February, and now we're reaching this line again. And if we break above it, then hopefully we can make it to the next level right here on this purple line and head our way to $1 trillion market cap on the total too, because look at, that's exactly where we're headed. And on the daily, on the RSI, we are looking totally okay to go ahead and start pumping. So hopefully that happens. Fingers crossed. If things start to get bearish, I'll try to update you guys and let y'all know. So there's one coin that has been doing very well lately, and that coin is Theta. So the cool thing about Theta is it's been taking off, and a lot of people have been telling me about Theta for a long time, but they got some cool things coming. They have the mainnet coming in 49 days, and what's cool about that is leading up to the mainnet, if you go up to CoinMarketCal and you go and you look at Theta, they have a bunch of new things getting released on Theta leading up to that mainnet. So that is pretty good to me. And one of them that is pretty cool, that's actually coming up later in the year for Theta, is the edge compute, which is new use cases, which is machine learning, AI, and stuff like that. So Theta is going to be used in a bunch of different ways than just the great streaming platform that it is, that has Lionsgate Films becoming one of the Hollywood studios to bring content to Theta network. So you have Samsung, a bunch of people. If you're not sure about anything about Theta, I definitely encourage you to dive deep into Theta. I can sit here and talk about a lot of the stuff that they're doing all damn day, but I just want to bring it to your attention and say, hey, look, right now Theta, with these coins kind of chilling out a little bit, a bunch of coins are hitting new all-time highs, and they just keep pumping. Shout out to Luxo. I've been trying to get some more, but it's been, leaving me in the dust. But we got some cool things coming with a lot of projects that are still trying to keep pumping. And if you're in a coin and it's hitting the all-time high, just gotta let it ride and until it wants to stop, So yeah, check out Theta. And the thing that I wanted to really bring to your attention about Theta is this. Theta has already been pumping pretty crazy in this market so far, but Tfuel is kind of behind Theta. It's been pumping as well. Let me rephrase myself before people are like, yo, this thing has been pumping also. Tfuel has also been pumping, but Tfuel kind of follows what Theta does. You know, they're like leading indicators of each other sometimes. So year to date, it's been doing very well, but with the staking coming, I believe a lot of people are going to need Tfuel to start staking, and they're going to want as much Tfuel as they can leading up to all those new things coming and going along with this, especially with the DEX release. So Tfuel is going to be probably my play for Theta. Even though I do hold some Theta tokens, I'm thinking I'm going to make a nice play into Tfuel when I see a nice opening to do so. Next, so OMI got added to Bitmax. If you're not familiar with Bitforex, then you can go ahead and trade OMI on Bitmax. The price has been staying steadily. You know, it dipped a little bit around to where I wanted it to dip to 0.003, and I didn't buy anything. I just kind of held to it, and I just been holding on to OMI and waiting for them to keep doing the wonderful stuff that they're doing over there. And yes, I do hold some of the NFTs. I've been buying the ones I only like to buy the ones that are super rare or rare. I don't really like to buy like the uncommon ones or the common ones or whatever, because I think, you know, those ones are going to be better in the long run. But a lot of the NFTs on OMI are starting to sell out, and I think NFTs are going to be a nice play in the bull run. I don't think NFTs are going to be a very lucrative play in the long term. Like, I can't see people paying thousands of dollars for an NFT when the coins are depreciating at high values. Right now, when everybody's up and everybody has these 10% gains and they don't know what to do with them, then yeah, I can see stuff like that happening. So yeah, I am buying some NFTs. And speaking of NFTs, if you haven't checked out Wax, so Wax is, I believe, on EOS, but Wax has been doing pretty well also. Only up 100%. That's still hella high, but compared to like the 1,000% that we just talked about on Tfuel, only up 100%. And Wax has nice NFTs as well. If you go to their website, you can see they call themselves the king of NFTs over there on Wax. And come to their website and figure out why they believe they're the king of NFTs. What I think is interesting about Wax is this: they have these Garbage Pail Kids digital and physical collectibles that are going to be in Walmart and Target already. So this is mainstream adoption of NFTs happening over there with Wax, and they're doing some cool things over there with Wax. So when people buy these, they're going to have to learn about how to use the Wax network, and I think that's pretty cool, because if it's getting reached, like, go to your Walmart or Target, like any of them, then I think that's pretty dope for Wax. They also have Street Fighter on their team over there at Wax. They have some pretty cool NFTs going on with that. So yeah, check out Wax. They're doing some nice cool things over there with Wax. So the token that I'm just so itching to get my hands on is, I'll put a link for it in the description because I made a video about it before, but I wasn't able to get it. And that is, how come I don't have it pulled up? Kylin. So the cross-chain platform powering the data economy, the data on Polkadot, is Kylin Network. 35k followers. They have their phase 2 launch of the liquidity bootstrapping pool starting tomorrow on Balancer. So finally, I'm going to be able to get my hands on some of this token, and the ending value of this token is supposed to be 5 cents. Now let me explain that a little bit. So they had their little IDO platform or whatever with the whitelist, and now they're doing the Balancer launch, and then they're going to do the Uniswap launch later. But they're going to have 13 million tokens for a public sale will be distributed unpaused to Balancer liquidity bootstrapping pool on March 3rd at 10 a.m. UTC. So hopefully you see this video before then. This round is open to anyone, as previously discussed. It's not like a regular Balancer pool. Okay, so the price will start very high, to disincentivize bots from front running and speculation. Over time, the price will automatically decrease by design. So it's gonna go down. So you don't want to rush in right at the top. So this is one of those things we can kind of chill and lay back and wait a little bit and make sure we find the price at around where they say it's going to be at in 48 hours, which is around 5 cents. That's what they say. So they're saying don't FOMO. Do not FOMO. Now, this coin has a lot of hype, so I think that's exactly why they did it this way, because a lot of people have been waiting for this coin for a long time, especially seeing some of the other things that they're involved with. Like you go to their Twitter and then you start to see that they're investing in other platforms and they're doing things with other platforms on like a high level. So, you know, I encourage people to hop on Twitter because that's one of the only places you could find a lot of information about Kylin Network. And also you can hop on to their Medium because Mediums always have. So yeah, check out Kylin. They have a bunch of partners already ready to partner with them, ready to go and ready to use their Oracle system. So Kylin, Wax, Tfuel, I'm checking out those coins. Let me know which coins you guys want me to check out. I know I keep saying that I'm going to make a community coin video, but it's because it's a lot of coins and it takes a while to go through all of them, and I want to do them justice. If you guys shout them out to me, I want to do them justice. I don't want to just slide through them real quick and be like, no, I don't like it. I want to actually figure out why you guys like it and see if I see the same things in it, and then give you guys, you know, some honest feedback about what you guys are picking out. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.